Hey guys, this is Moyon. Welcome to my channel. Memorizing things is easier than to understand. So, improve your understanding. If you want to improve your understanding regarding this topic we are going to learn today, so please continue to listen it. So, let's get started. A or N comes before a noun. Now, what is a noun? Name of everything is said to be a noun. In other words, you can say that a noun that names a person, place, or thing. And, well, we use and with singular nouns. Those nouns that begin from vowels use an. For example, an orange. Here we can say that an orange begins with O, which is a vowel. So before it, we use an, means an orange. Likewise, an ice cream. Here, I, which is a vowel, so we use an ice cream. Those words that sound like a vowel, we use here an. For example, an or. We cannot say our, we say or. And or sounds like a vowel, thus we use an or instead of a. Here is another example. He is an honest man. We cannot say honest. So here we use an honest because honest sounds like a vowel. Another example, an insect. Here I is a vowel. So we use an insect. Similar, an apple. Next, A. Same, we use a with singular nouns. Those nouns that begin from consonants. Before them, we use a. For example, a chair. Here, we can say that chair begins with a because C is a consonant and we use a before consonant. Thus, we say a chair, then a table. Here, T, which is a consonant, so we say a table. A sparrow, here S is a consonant, like a kite. Here K is a consonant, so we use a kite. A book, here B is a consonant. A cat, here C is a consonant. A shop, here S is a consonant, so keep in mind, A or N always comes before singular noun. You cannot use A or N with plural nouns. So please always use A or N with singular nouns. So, what we learned today, we have just learned the most basic concepts of noun and are. Use are before singular noun that starts with consonants and use and before singular nouns too that starts with vowels and a vowel sound. This is the end of today's lesson. If you liked today's lesson, please like, share and subscribe. I will see you guys in the next lesson.